Production planners buried in spreadsheets. Machine capacity unknown. Delivery dates becoming just guesses. VLC Visual Scheduler transforms your production data into real-time, interactive charts, built directly inside Business Central. See every production order, machine center, and resource in one interactive view. Real-time data from Business Central. No manual updates. No data gaps. Reschedule jobs with a drag and drop. Conflicts are flagged automatically. Finite capacity scheduling ensures no machine center is ever overloaded. Schedule with real material availability. Always deliver on time, backed by data, not guesswork. VLC Visual Scheduler. Visualize, manage, deliver.